die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you.
Hi lovelies, beautiful good morning to all of you guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you had a very wonderful night. Okay, so today is Saturday morning, so I decided to go to market and do a little grocery. Okay, so join me. I don't know if I can be able to video it because I'm the only one going to the market, but if I can, I'll video it. If I couldn't video it, when I come back I will show you what I bought from the market. Okay, of course this is morning and the sunshine is so beautiful. Today is a very beautiful day. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me go and do some grocery haul and come back. Okay, actually I don't even know where my eyes is going. I don't know where I'm supposed to point my eyes, but just stay tuned, stay with me. Okay, so I love this. I'm back from the market. Let me show you guys what I bought from the market. Okay, yeah, I have one. I don't know how to come. I bought bread. This one is the bread is not sweet. It's not that sweet. This one is meant for drinking of tea. Okay, like chocolate tea. Okay, so I bought like 5 pieces of them. You can see it. I bought 5 pieces of this. Okay, this one is granules. This is how they used to package it here. This one is granule. This is 750 gram. Okay, look at it, 750 gram. So I bought this granule too for 3 weeks. Then this one is sweet bread. Okay, you can use it to take coffee and tea too, chocolate tea, because me I love using this one. Okay, then it serves as cake too. Okay, because the bread is very sweet, it's very delicious, so you can use it to eat a yogurt or a salad or anything you feel like, or egg. Okay, it's very good for egg, like fried egg. I like using it in fried eggs than the other bread. Okay, let me show you the difference. You see this one is not sweet, but this one is sweet. Okay, you will enjoy this one with fried eggs more than this one. Okay, so that's the difference. And again, this is tomato. I bought fresh tomatoes. Okay, let me open it for you. The tomato is very big. You can see the tomatoes. The tomato is very big and fresh. Very fresh. Okay, so like this now is a €3 too. Okay, so this is this one is ginger. I'm planning of doing powdered ginger. Let me show you guys how to do powdered ginger. Okay, if you don't want to use it fresh like this, you use powdered ginger. Don't worry, maybe next week I'll show you guys how to do powdered ginger. Okay, so like this now, I bought it for €5, just like this now. Okay, I'm cooking. Oh, oh my goodness, thank God I saved for you. I'm making boiled egg with egg sauce. Sorry, not boiled egg. I'm making boiled yam, white yam with egg sauce. Okay. Because the other day Vicky was preparing her own and I was salivating, so now I want to do my own. I want to prepare my own. Sorry. So this one is banana. It's very fresh. I bought 2 of this, just like this, but my husband is eating the other one. Okay, and this one is garlic. This one is cheese, mozzarella cheese. This is what I used to do that flat bread that you saw the other day. Okay, and that pizza that is on my shorts. Yeah, and this is onion. This one is onion. Like this now is €3.50. Okay, So this one is lettuce. Let me open it. So this one now is lettuce. As you can see, it's so fresh. It's very, very fresh. So fresh, okay? And this is yogurt. This one is for my kids. I don't enjoy it with them too anyway. Okay, this is banana yogurt. Okay, land product banana yogurt. So I bought it about 2, 4, 6. I bought 8 pieces, but my kid is having one now. Okay, and I bought beer. Yeah, I bought beer for my hobby. For him to enjoy himself. Okay, you know how today is Saturday now. I will prepare one delicious delicacy. Okay, I enjoy it. Very chilled. I will put it inside the fridge to be chilled. This one is cornflakes. Okay, this one is for Kamsi Ochuku and Chimeremez. They love cornflakes so much. I love it too. Okay, I used to drink it, but especially at night. If I feel heavy and I feel like not eating any other thing, then I will take it. Okay. Is there any other thing I bought? I don't think so. Aha. And this is garlic. I bought garlic too. Okay. And this is let me show you. This one is wrap. That wrap we used to do shawarma now. Okay. This is how it is. Shawarma wrap. This is it. You can see the way it is here. Okay. This is shawarma wrap. So I will use to prepare shawarma for my kids and husband. Okay. Can you see it here? You can see it. Okay. This is how it is. Shawarma wrap. So I use it to prepare shawarma for my kids and this. Okay, so this one is cappuccino. I bought cappuccino too. My husband loves it. Okay, so I bought cappuccino also. And biscuits. Okay, you can use this biscuit to drink the cappuccino. It's good, it goes well with cappuccino. Okay, so you can use it to take cappuccino, or use it to eat a granola, or take it like that, anywhere, anyhow you want it. Okay, so that's that. That's it. Please don't mind this my face. I didn't wear any color. I just rushed to go to the market before my little one will wake up. Okay, that's why I didn't have the time to wear makeup. Okay, so that's that. I will still show you the boiled yam and the egg sauce I'm preparing for tonight. Okay, yeah. Okay, see you in another video. Okay. Please like this video, comment and subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. Okay, and to my returning followers, to my mamas, to my sisters, my friends, I love you guys so much. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please stay tuned. So this is the finishing part of the egg sauce. Let me share with you how I prepare it. So this is the yam. I'll be cutting it. I will peel the back and then cut it in pieces. Okay, sorry, I'm using speed editing here. Okay, so with that way the video won't be long. Okay, I don't want the video to be long so that you guys will watch it. Okay. So after cutting it, I'll wash it very well to remove every sand in it, and then add it inside the pot and add water. I will also add salt taste to it. Okay, some people say they don't use salt in cooking their yam. I don't know, but me, I normally use it. So I'll be cutting the tomatoes and the vegetables that is the bell peppers for making of the egg sauce. Okay.
Just to make your money. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I see go, you want go, all the men, they can ride the boat, I go be, die for nothing, and that's my bro, my family, rules and trace. When it comes to money, I they concentrate, because I tell you straight, you are not my date. If you you come, shall not be head to stay. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it called? Chihuahua, all the men, big girl, ride it good, I know it, die for nothing. What's it called? Chihuahua, all the men, big girl, ride it good, I know it.
So I'll be adding a vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'll allow it to heat up a little and then add the ginger and garlic. This is grated ginger and garlic. Then onion. I will saute it a little for some seconds and then add the spices I want to be using for the egg sauce. Okay, so I'll be using just curry and mixed spices. Okay guys, try this method. If you've not, just try adding the mixed spices, any kind of spice that you want to use for making of your stew and the same sauce before adding the tomato proper. You will like the taste. There's this taste it gives the stew or sauce. Okay, so I just sauteed the spices for some seconds and then add the chopped tomatoes. Okay, so I will stir fry the tomato for some minutes before adding salt to it. I will then add just 1 more cube for seasoning and then a little pepper flakes. Even this pepper was too much. I don't like adding pepper because of my kids. So I added crayfish too. So I will now stir it very well now for them to meet, introduce themselves and get married if possible. And go ahead and bear children. Okay, so I'll be checking if everything I've added is well combined and it tastes heavenly. Now I just added the bell peppers. You can see how colorful it is, but this is not just for garnishing. Bell peppers are very nutritious. Okay, if you've noticed, I always use them in all my cooking. It's very nutritious. So I just stir it for some seconds and then add the egg. I used 4 eggs. Okay, and then I added a pinch of salt to it and I beat it. So I added it and allow it for some seconds before turning it. I want it to have this lumpy texture. Okay, guys, you know what happened? I didn't show you guys when I added the turkey for this recipe because I used turkey. So my phone heated up and switched off. So I didn't show you guys where I add the turkey. As you can see the turkey here. Okay, and our egg sauce is all ready. Guys, please join me. Okay, you can see how yummy and attractive this food is looking. So guys, we've come to the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching to the end. Okay, thank you for watching to this moment. So this is where I'll be ending the vlog now. So just rate me. This is my first time of trying the vlog. I've not tried it for the first time, though I included it in my profile, but this is the first time of trying it out. So rate me if I did well or not. So if there is any way I will still correct it or improve, you let me know. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. I love you so much.